Hi guys, a very good evening. Masquera say. This evening, let us deal with a sensitive story which was reported through a memo by Zimbabwe Republic Police. This is a 20th December dated press statement, and it talks about the arrest of suspects for conspiracy to commit armed robbery and shootout incident in Acadia, Harare. So the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed the death of Jabulani Ngobeni, 45, and God knows Machengura, 44. Saka Jabulani Ngobeni is believed to be from South Africa, and God knows Machengura is a Zimbabwean. And these people, they passed on during a shootout incident in Acadia, Harare, and the arrest of Ndiyafi Makado, who is also a South African, Andrew Masubelele, a South African, Paul Joe, a Zimbabwean, Emmanuel Makamo, believed to be also a South African, and they were arrested for conspiracy to commit armed robbery in kuKwekwe on 19th December 2023. Ndiyafi Makado, Jabulani Ngobeni, Andrew Masubele, and Emmanuel Makamo had traveled from South Africa with intention of committing armed robberies. On 19th December 2023, detectives from CID Homicide Harare received information that the suspects were booked at a guest house along Mauritius Road, Acadia, Harare. The detectives raided the guest house, resulting in the suspects bolting out of the house. Jabulani Ngobeni fired shots towards the detectives and a shootout ensued, resulting in Jabulani Ngobeni being shot on the hip. Subsequently, Jabulani Ngobeni, Ndiyafi Makado, Andrew Masubele, Paul Joe, and Emmanuel Makamo were arrested. The arrest led to the recovery of a 9mm Star pistol loaded with 4 rounds of ammunition. Ndiyafi Makado, Jabulani Ngobeni, Andrew Masubele, and Emmanuel Makamo were injured during the shootout. And okay, I don't know what happened here with my network. Okay. This one is slowing down to actually be brought here. Okay, so they were referred to Pariranyatwa group of hospitals for treatment, where Jabulani Ngobeni died upon admission. Paul Joe confessed to the detectives that he booked the accommodation and hired 2 vehicles, a Toyota Fortuner registration AFX 0554 and a Honda Fit vehicle AFO 7446 after receiving US 400 from God knows Machengura. The suspects revealed to the detectives that they had hatched a plan to commit robbery along Birmingham Road, kuKwekwe. God knows Machengura was said to be in Mbavha, where he was monitoring the movement of their target. Subsequently, God knows Machengura was lured to Morgan High School, Acadia, Harare, where he was arrested after being shot on the groin following a speed chase and shootout with the detectives. The arrest led to the recovery of a 9mm Taurus pistol with a magazine of 9 live rounds. God knows Machengura was referred to Pariranyatwa group of hospitals where he died upon admission. And the police Zimbabwe reiterated that any form of confrontation of armed clash with the police, reaction teams will be met with appropriate response. The police is concerned with the involvement of foreign nationals in conspiring to commit armed robbery cases in the country. The police detectives also gathered information to the effect that arrested criminals wanted to kidnap some prominent people in the country for ransom. In this regard, the public is implored to be alert and safety conscious during the holidays. So this is what the Zimbabwe Republic Police had to say in regard to this. So meanwhile, the Zimbabwe Republic Police applauds the public for supplying positive information to the police. Members of the public are urged to report all criminal acts on National Complaints Desk number 0242703631 or WhatsApp 0712 800-197 or report it to any nearest police station. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. As I always say, we are safe when the criminals are less in our streets, or when criminals know that our police can react and deal with these traitors. Remember, so many cases of murder and armed robberies are actually being reported each and every day. So we applaud the police for doing this good job for apprehending these criminals, and we hope that the courts will not easily grant them bail. So we need a safe Zimbabwe, we need a clean Zimbabwe where you can walk around, you can have your money and have no problems at all. But right now, because of defective banking sector in the nation of Zimbabwe, some people are now keeping their monies within their homes, and Mbavha idzi dzakuona kuti kuSouth Africa kusina dhiri vakuita vachiuya kuno kuZimbabwe so that they continue harassing and steal from the people. Just imagine with your father is kidnapped and you hear people demanding some ransom. Zvinorwadza, guys. That is the reason why we have to deal with this matter decisively and differently. And we need to thank the police for doing such a wonderful job.